are saved just when you've locked your door. Comes like a lightning flash, and the sky is torn at your back like a loaded gun. But the fight has just begun. Steady now, breathe, breathe.
Somebody please help me. Ira, do something.
What are you doing here?
What the hell are you talking about?
This is the sound of.
You can't stop me now.
Do just stand here and watch her die?
You feel nothing!
Not sign up for this experiment so you can play God. Why would they do that?
Said no!
So you fix this right now. Help me!